Hello beautiful lovers, guys. Today we are making okra soup with spinach, guys. Watch the process to the end and see how I cook this delicious soup, guys. So we are making using of red oil. So I add red oil inside the pot, go in with onions and pepper blended together, guys, as you can see on this video. So after adding it, I have to turn it together as a white material that I am. So give it some minutes. I'll come back again to come and stir it again, guys, as you can see on this video. Here is salt. I added salt inside. I also added 3 Maggi inside, as you can see. We make use of 1 nut and 1 star, guys, as you can see on this video. Who dey zuzu na wife material. So this is the blended onions. We use machine to blend it like this, guys, as you can see. Who dey zuzu na wife material. So you have to turn it, fry it until you get to this consistency you see here, guys, before adding your meat and your meat stock inside, as you can see on this video. Who dey run and na wife material. So this one, when I add this side, was the meat stock and ishaki. So I pour it inside. After pouring it inside, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. That is why they tell all of una say make una come learn how to cook delicious meal. As you can see, this is the meat that we cooked before, so we dry it a little before using it. So we add everything inside. Omo, if you taste this soup, very delicious and yummy. So if you haven't cooked your okra soup like this, as it dey hot, my people, I have to taste the food. The soup was so yummy and delicious. So after tasting it, I have to add the spinach inside. As you can see, I make use of a lot of spinach. Have you ever tasted your okra soup with spinach soup like this? If you have not tried it, go and try it out and come and thank me later. It tastes so yummy and delicious. So after adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. After turning it, I see that the soup was too thick. I have to add some water to it, as you can see on this video. Who dey zuzu na wife material. As it dey hot, that is why they tell of una say make una come register for my online cooking. See soup now. So after turning it, I have to go in with the fish. So this is the parboiled fish, guys. We add it inside and add a little salt inside. After adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. As you can see on this soup, I don't have crayfish, I don't have prawns, so I use what I have to cook the soup, and it really tastes yummy, guys. So guys, if you want to cook your soup, you say you don't have crayfish, you don't have prawns, you will not cook. Guys, use what you have to cook what you have at all, guys. Take a look at this soup now. This soup was so yummy and delicious. This is how I made it. So I added water so that this food will have a lot of water. Go and try it out and come and thank me later. See soup now. Rate this soup, guys. It was so yummy and delicious. Love you all.